Eddie and the money free up with you by. But say there, or what putting our own nigga and honey say, maybe I make up a canyat and I'm terrible. Make a craft and say, they are broken so ever see a casa new. But the cheese, Befra. So much I said, it's their money free. Sister Sandy, the nickname Eddie. Shine your eye. If you need a guy. Shine your eye. It's near man to say, dear Buho, ye be so. The abuse we are and pay for the medical your moody. If we are not in one out so. Now we are out. Send a come and from Mountain a bio. Obians are the candidate. Never more near the kind. First to third, no. But some more. Pack all way. Okay, I want to have a bomb. Now, most of my baby Junior more. And I'm very special in you would have me. I know Mamma Canon. Obia, Giomodia. Did you make you know near one? But I'm a young papa, and I now did that. Oh, you're telling money you with my shop. Dancing competition, tight one. Yes, you're letting me near 2 million. Me a dance and there's no better me when down. Now check that from Copan so our hollow. But I want did the mamma know did you not know? Shine your eye. Shine your eye.
And I was about to check. And I was about to check. I'm allowed to check this down.
Ah, we must have a papra.
Commissioner,
oh, Chad. Toy away. Sorry.
Nice and you.
Don't worry. I don't mind it. I made them better.
Primary. But when you're on the first, on the first, yeah, and then someone with them,
Bra, go fancy. What's up? Oh, the first lesson.
Yeah, go.
Bra.
catch and when you be. Mom and someone.
My God.
Yes, I catch us as Sandra Kokama.
We're free, Sister Sandra. Did you ask them now? Sister Sandra.
Sister Sandra said, Amen.
Shine your eye. He's saying God bless you and God grant you long life. Amen. All right. Next is I'm a fuck great. I'm a fuck great. This will be first. Sweetheart. Class 4. Grace will be first.
I didn't know what to continue to. I better use. I'm going to my say one more. Caterpillar yellow.
To go as I show him the idiot.
Are you serious?
Okay. Grace is all for you, Nachedian. And this is from Sister Sandra. What are you going to tell Sister Sandra?
God bless Sister Sandra. God give Sister Sandra more.
Okay, Sister Sandra, she's saying God bless you and may God give you more.
Shine your eyes.
Alright. Next is Constance. And now come here, guy. First one, Let's go. Constance will be first. Constance will be Oh, in my. Okay. You watch the Okay. All right. Constance, it's all for you need there. So, Constance, what are you going to tell Sister Sandra? Okay. As Constance is saying, Sister Sandy, God bless you so much. God bless you. Martin Georgina.
Royal Christian Academy. BS3B.
Okay, what you actually do?
Mama Sama.
Send your way book, you just say, oh, the password. Allow, please, allow. Okay, I think my baby girl is so happy that she can't even go. But definitely, I'm sure she's saying God bless you, Sister Sandra, right? All right. Come on. All right, Oba, come Bill.
Hey.
Harus Ibrahim
again.
Sablonu RC Bravo.
Okay, which one say?
BS5.
BS5. Sweetheart, Collins, for table, no snake way in your Akuma, venture or say.
Faturo.
Matters a man for sending now pen idea. Today now back at Sister Sandra.
God bless you, Sister Sandra.
Oh, shine your eye. What's it God bless you?
Mama said, Mama. So you do second. Frimpong, Kwaku. Kwaku Frimpong. Frimpong. What do you say?
Second. Kwaku the second. Kwaku go school. He might go here. What you say?
Yes, sis.
Okay. Who the second? Yeah. See for table on the snake for you.
Katoy.
All right. Come back where you need Jerry. Come then I'll catch Sister Sandra. Sister Sandra. And then they'll bless you. No, I had them. He's also saying God bless you, God bless you, God bless you so much. Vera, what?
Romeo.
Vera, oh, Vera and Cindy Ted. Vera and Cindy Ted. Yeah. Vera, of course. In my method. Okay, Vera. What do you say to Sister Sandra?
Stop our t-shirt.
Oh, Sister Sandra. She's also saying God bless you. And then Mr. Blessing in your own. Some of them, I know, like, okay. I got Evans Pepper. Evans Details.
All select one.
Evans Details. Evans, what's the way? Okay, Evans Details.
Ano na kufakano. Fani nyina.
All right, Evans. So, what do you say to Sister Sandra? Okay, Evans, sing your mean sure, Sister Sandra. Sing your mean sure. Okay, I'm a fast man. I'm a fast.
Where am I doing? I'm a
Where is Amufa? But now saying near bed, you can't ban him, so let's not be German.
All right.
And sure, but don't worry, me for broken that out. Oh, are you? I'm a auntie. I'm Baba in the price now, man. So, what do you say, Sister Sandra? Amen.
We are no what
It's better late than never. Blessings are full. Transport in Swab, but also the fresh. Then, you give right. What the fresh? Why are they about?
tell them down because
Mama said, man.
Mama said, lazy. All right. And today now, catch Sister Sunday.
Thank you.
Oh, is that the only thing that you can say? Say something.
Thank you
Thank you very much.
Oh, he added very much.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Okay, Sister Sandra, thank you and God bless you so much. Now, why here we know and go? Say who? But just a matter. Okay.
What am I? What am I?
Yeah.
One.
Yeah, you back.
Open t-shirt. You're going
T-shirt. Hey, open t-shirt. Well, I'm gonna eat t-shirt. Put it on.
It will be a video. Maybe you can go.
Come on with the future children.
Romeo, kaki mi ma do go last one. And my father one. Last one, come up. Me bram me.
And one after the other, please. One after the other.
Video Okay. Yes, it's a little.
Before we go, but only for